Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF file in Google Sheet cells in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do guys, to insert a PDF file here, we have to select what specific PDF file we wanted to put in here. So first thing is upload a PDF file from your computer. So click file upload. So choose what files or PDF file from your computer you wanted to upload. So for me, so after you select guys, upload it, and after uploading you can open it guys. So for me, I already have a sample here, this one. So once the file or the PDF file is open, in order to insert this file to your Google Sheets cells, all you need to do is to copy the link above, and after that guys, go to your document or the Google spreadsheets. So you already all you need to do is to paste it here, the link that you copied earlier. So okay, so here's the link guys. So after that guys, you can also edit the link. Okay, you can put in here a, so for me I'm going to put a song lyric and click apply. So it's done guys. So let's try it guys. Let's try it if it is working. Okay, so we successfully insert a PDF file in our Google Sheets. I hope you learn and you understand our quick tutorial today. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Google Sheets. Thank you.